In this lesson, we will explore strategic sourcing and procurement alignment, a key area of inventory management that ensures an organization's purchasing activities are directly linked to its overall business strategy and operational goals. Effective sourcing and procurement alignment help reduce costs, improve supplier performance, and enhance supply chain efficiency. Strategic sourcing goes beyond traditional purchasing. Instead of simply buying goods and services based on immediate needs or price, strategic sourcing involves a long-term, data-driven approach to supplier selection, evaluation, and relationship management. The goal is to create a sustainable supply base that supports the organization's inventory and production requirements while driving continuous improvement and innovation. The process begins with analyzing the organization's spending patterns and identifying key categories of goods or materials. By understanding what the company buys, how much it spends, and from whom, procurement teams can identify opportunities to consolidate suppliers, negotiate better terms, and eliminate inefficiencies. This spend analysis forms the foundation for developing sourcing strategies that align with business objectives. Supplier selection is another critical element of strategic sourcing. Instead of choosing vendors based solely on cost, companies evaluate suppliers on multiple criteria, including quality, reliability, lead times, innovation, and financial stability. This holistic approach ensures that selected suppliers can support consistent inventory flow, minimize disruptions, and adapt to changing market conditions. Once suppliers are chosen, procurement alignment becomes essential. Procurement alignment means that purchasing decisions are integrated with production planning, demand forecasting, and inventory management. This alignment ensures that procurement actions are based on accurate demand data rather than reactive ordering, reducing excess stock and preventing stockouts. For example, when procurement teams work closely with inventory planners, they can synchronize order quantities and delivery schedules to match real-time demand. This coordination minimizes storage costs, shortens lead times, and improves overall supply chain responsiveness. Advanced ERP systems and digital procurement platforms make this alignment seamless by providing a shared view of data across departments. Supplier relationship management, or SRM, is another important component of strategic sourcing. Building strong partnerships with key suppliers fosters collaboration, transparency, and trust. Companies can work with suppliers to co-develop products, improve processes, and enhance sustainability. Regular performance reviews and feedback help ensure accountability and continuous improvement. Strategic sourcing also emphasizes risk management. By diversifying the supplier base and assessing potential risks such as geopolitical instability, natural disasters, or financial issues, organizations can safeguard against supply chain disruptions. Developing contingency plans and maintaining alternative sourcing options ensures resilience in the face of uncertainty. Sustainability and ethical sourcing have become increasingly important in modern procurement strategies. Companies are now expected to consider environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors when selecting suppliers. Sustainable sourcing not only supports corporate responsibility but also strengthens brand reputation and long-term profitability. Technology plays a vital role in strategic sourcing and procurement alignment. Artificial intelligence, data analytics, and automation help procurement teams analyze supplier performance, predict market trends, and identify cost-saving opportunities. Digital tools streamline tendering, contract management, and supplier communication, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. In summary, strategic sourcing and procurement alignment create a powerful link between purchasing and overall business strategy. By adopting a long-term, data-driven approach, organizations can optimize supplier performance, reduce total cost of ownership, and ensure inventory availability. When procurement works hand-in-hand with planning, production, and logistics, businesses achieve a more agile, resilient, and competitive supply chain.